After 2 days of directional movement by Bank Nifty today, it was a sideways market. Bank Nifty was trying to create some volatility in the second half but could not either sustain above 35,300 levels or crossed 35,130 levels. Today's closing clearly shows that Bank Nifty is bullish and tomorrow we might see a directional movement, but maybe in the second half. Hey guys, welcome to another video from Vega Stocks. In this video we will analyze today's price action of Bank Nifty and we'll try to predict for tomorrow. But before we start, a disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tips. If you are new, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start today's analysis first. As you can see the screen, this is a 5-minute chart of Bank Nifty, and the actual trade that we could have captured today was this first candle and 2 subsequent candles thereafter. This trade could have been captured on the basis that Bank Nifty gave a opening above 35,030 levels. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty gave a gap opening and respected yesterday's closing price. As you can see the screen, the fourth candle touched 35,281 and there was a clear sign of rejection, and hence we should have exited from this trade. As said yesterday, Bank Nifty went till 35,308 levels, but second trade was a risky one, which was around 12:30, and you could have scalped this trade, but leaving this trade was a better idea. This trade first hit the swing low before giving a profit. As you can see, market was completely sideways and within range. Well, let's move on to our next session on prediction. Before I start, a humble request: please trade with caution, and it's not compulsory to trade daily. Please make a note of it. Trade only when you see price falling into your setup, and do not trade without stop loss. Because market was sideways, hence mark today's top of 35,316 and bottom level of 35,109. Irrespective of whatever happens in the market, do not trade between these two levels. Please mark upper level as 35,341 and this is the top of 11th June. As you can see the chart, Bank Nifty should have crossed this level today, and because it didn't, that is why you see there was some movement to the downside at around 12:30 to 2 o'clock. So this is a worry sign. This indicates that buyers are not stronger at this level. Try to understand the price action and this will definitely help you in future. Let's make the prediction simple. If there is a flat opening and price crosses 35,340 levels, buy call. But if it retraces from this level, avoid trading. If price goes down, wait till the time it doesn't crosses 35,109 levels. Then only you can buy put. Remember, in both of these cases, target is very less. Hence, better not to trade in this case. If there is a gap down opening and that too below 35,100 levels, then you should definitely buy put and do pyramiding once price crosses 35,000 levels. Remember, when price crosses 35,000 levels, but if price is retracing from 35,100 or 35,000 levels, avoid trading. The best scenario would be if price gives a gap opening above 35,340. You can wait for a dip close to today's closing price of 35,250 and can buy call with 35,250 as the stop loss. If price gives a gap opening, then our target should be 35,550 levels for sure. Points to remember: tomorrow we might see a breakout in the second half of the trading session, hence prefer not to trade in the morning session. In the morning you can trade only when you see a gap opening and price breaking today's closing price, similar to 11th June chart pattern. Option chain analysis has good open interest at 35,500 levels and at 35,000 levels. So as of now it looks this week expiry will be between this range. Hope I have covered everything. If missed, then do let me know in the comment box. And also share this video to your family, friends and colleagues so that they also gets benefited. Before I end up my closing statement, upper as well as lower target is very less, hence trade as per price action or better avoid. Thank you for your support, keep learning and happy trading.